Do one for her. Fine, whatever. Question says, does fitness level, education, or index have anything to do with IQ? So I don't know, but if that's true, IQ is your Y. These are your X's. If I was a bet man, I'd say that probably the finger length nor fitness matter, but I'm just here to do my thin. And boom, and boom. And as one can see, the whole model is significant, but the fitness level is not significant. So we're going to come back up here and we're going to redo it. Oops. But without fitness level. Remember, if fitness level was not side by side with this one, I mean, if fitness was between the two, recopy it so that the two you want are still side by side. And then I'm going to move my cursor way in the heck down here out of the way. And voila, still significant. Those guys are significant. Now, I looked at it briefly. I wanted to predict the IQ for a fella who has a bachelor's, which was a 2, plus a 10 centimeter long index finger. So the guy should have an IQ of 123.